One of the reasons manifesting methods you've tried don't work for you is everything in life needs modifications. Every circumstance is unique. Yes, there are universal truths. Yes, there are universal laws. And yet, human experience is complex. It's unique. There's timing. This is co-creation with the universe. There's all these details. So you have to make it work for you. Last week, I taught a workshop, Manifesting with Flowers. And one of the big ideas that the participants are going to be finding out this week is you have to modify and change. This is why I suggest manifesting using a bouquet of flowers as one of the tools, because after a week, you got to go in and pick out the dead leaves, trim off the bottoms, pick out the dead petals, compost, start over, freshen up the water. You can't keep on doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over. You know this, except we also want that to be the case. And yesterday, I was gifted a bouquet of flowers, reminding me some of the work you do, some of the work will be gifted to you. Some of the things that happen, you have no control over, but the blessings that are coming your way are amazing. Co-creation is back and forth, interplay. Give yourself permission to modify what isn't working. If you want access to the workshop, go check it out. I'd love for you to watch. Tell me what you think.